Lethargic Sloth here, and this is the knockout game. Concept is really simple. Vote like if you want to vote for Azerbaijan, and vote dislike if you want to vote for Albania. Here is the bracket. These songs will compete against each other. Every week there will be a winner that advances to the next round until we have one song left standing. So please like, share, and subscribe, and you can keep up with which song is going to win this game. This matchup between Azerbaijan and Albania ends on March 27th, so you have 7 days from the day this video is posted to put your vote in. So please vote. It helps me so much to make my picks just to see what songs people favor over the other. So thank you very much.